Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super simple and delicious dish, oyster mushrooms stir-fried with eggs. Just look at this when it's done. Fluffy eggs, tender mushrooms, smell amazing, and it's perfect with a bowl of rice. First, let's prepare the mushrooms. I will start by trimming off the ends and rinsing them in water. Mine are pretty small, but if yours are bigger, just tear them into smaller pieces before washing. In a bowl, crack in 4 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and beat them well. To make the eggs extra silky, I'm adding a splash of potato starch water. Pour a little at a time while stirring. For the aromatics, just a few pieces of green onion, some minced garlic, and a couple of chopped bird's eye chilies. Alright, prep work is done. I've listed all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description if you want to follow along. Let's start cooking. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Then add in the oyster mushrooms. Once the water comes back to a boil, scoop them out and drain well. In a hot wok with a bit of oil, pour in the beaten eggs. Let them set. Then cut into chunks and take them out. Leave a little oil in the wok. Toss in the green onion, garlic, and chili. Stir fry until fragrant. Then add the mushrooms. Give them a good stir. Let them cook down a bit. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 10 grams of oyster sauce. Now add the eggs back in, along with 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Turn up the heat and stir fry everything together. Before taking it off the heat, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Stir it all together and we are ready to serve. Look at this. The eggs are so soft, the mushrooms are glossy, and the aroma is incredible. Let me grab a bite. Oh wow, the mushrooms are so flavorful, and the eggs soak up all that sauce. It's such a great combo with rice. Honestly, if you are ever stuck on what to cook at home, this dish is foolproof. Super quick, super tasty. Go try it out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.